Today, class, we're going to learn how to convert measurements within the metric system. One of the things you'll be doing this year is converting measurements within the metric system. To start converting within the metric system, you first need to be familiar with the prefixes and what they mean. The metric prefixes we'll be working with are kilo, which is 1,000 times the unit, hecto, which is 100 times the unit, deca, 10 times the unit, deci, which is 1/10 of the unit, centa, which is 1/100th of the unit, and milla, which is the smallest at 1/1000th of the unit. Click on the Metric Conversions wrap link on a page to watch a wrap video about the metric system. Now that you know what the prefixes are in the metric system and what each value represents, now we're going to look at step-by-step instructions on how to convert within the metric system. You'll see that our prefixes and their values have been set up in a stair-step or ladder format. To convert to a smaller unit, move the decimal point to the right or multiply. To convert to a larger unit, move the decimal point to the left or divide. So how do you use the ladder method? First, you determine your starting point. Second, count the jumps to your ending point. And third, move the decimal the same number of jumps in the same direction. So let's practice. We have 4 kilometers, and we want to find out how many meters this is equal to. So first determine your starting point. That would be kilo. Next, count the jumps to our ending point. 1, 2, 3. Third, we're going to move the decimal the same number of jumps and in the same direction. And we move the decimal point the same number of jumps in the same direction. 1, 2, 3. So that 4 kilometers is equal to 4,000 meters. So let's review. We have the prefixes and their meanings written in the stair-step or ladder format. First, you have to determine your starting point. That tells you where you start on the stair-step. Second, count the jumps to your ending point. What's the unit you want to change to? And that's your ending point. Third, move the decimal in your original measurement the same number of jumps and in the same direction. And finally, click on the link at the bottom of the page to practice converting within the metric system.